Good morning, guys. Starting out down here. Whoa, look at that. It's a spider web. Well, that's pretty cool. Where's the spider at, though? I don't see it. That is cool, though. Alright. Alright, let's get these chickens inside. Oh. Alright. The person that you just met, guys, was Wyatt. That was the guy I was helping. That was one of the members of the family. You guys will meet the others later. Just right now. I'm sorry if you guys hear a loud truck, but there's like a loud truck, loud semi driving down the road. You guys see me tossing it? Yeah. Alright. That's enough for the kids. If not, whoa! Crazy girls! Alright, come on. All ready? You wanna fly down? Alright, they're all out. Ugh. No progress has been done on the chicken coop yet. But there is oh, I forgot the bucket. Oh my goodness. I gotta use the bathroom. Bum, 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 bum. But anyways. Oh, wait, let's, oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Let's let her in. There you go. She ran in. Alright. I'll I'm back. Alright, let's still feed the chicks. I guess next. We'll feed them up there, actually. I don't know. I had the feed ready for the chicks, so. Yeah, they're all. Oh my goodness, they knocked over the water. I don't think the water thing's gonna work anymore. I think we're gonna have to use. Alright. Hang on, let's you guys set up here. Get them away from the door. Put you guys up over there. All right. Huh. That's fine. Well, I guess I should have put this up again, but we're gonna have to find something else. So pull this up right now. For now. Not clean it out. So let's still do that. They're fed. So let's go clean this out. We'll grab the bucket on the way back. We got the plywood for the floor and the chicken coop. They're hungry. Let's throw that out Falky in them before we do anything else. Feed. Alright. Still grab the other bucket. We gotta fill up the big bucket. Never let them out. Or else they're gonna go nuts. I just like to cut all this out. So you guys ain't gotta watch it. But that beginning part right there, in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna probably time lapse that. Probably. Oh, there's a thing that can feed right here. Would you look at that? You know what? We'll do? We'll give this to them. We'll just pour this in here. And all this feed can go to them up there. Don't eat it throughout the day. Actually, you know what? We'll feed them some over here, some more over here. I think this is too much for them up there. Yeah, see, look, they already got it almost gone. Oh, that chicken, oh, huh, want it in there. All right. Another one wants in there. There she goes. All right. Now, let's go up there. Let's let out Falky in there. I'll come back down and fill up their bucket. But right now, we can let Falky in them up. Yeah. Fill up their water, fill up the chits' water. No Bronson today, guys. Those little butts sleeping. There you go. Flies are bad today. Alright. Let's clean this. The chicks just came up. Chicken. I already filled that mofo up to the top. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright. Let's I'll come back and take care of the hose. Let's go get in the water. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to grab something else for water. I don't think we have any more bowls, so. There we go, nuts over this water. Oh, get back. Flip you over. There you go. Hey, girl. Yeah, babies. Hello, babies. Oh, hi. I'm sorry, that's you. Just a ditch in order. There it was drinking that water. Well, it's not drinking it. It's on a hill, so it's pouring out. They are drinking it though. There's a dolphin. Alright. Now. They're done. I didn't check to see if they needed water. Well, they don't need water. I just gave them water. So check the tree over here. Oh, that's pretty low. We'll take the hose up there and clean it up too. So it's pretty nasty in there. Might as well clean it out and yeah. What else is there to do? Whoa. On my heel. Yeah, I shouldn't have filled this up. There. I'll do this. water. They didn't need water down there. Their 2 bowls are full. Well, one was half full and one was full. I don't think it's supposed to be hot today, so I think they'll be fine. Anyways, they all did out. They all did out. See? I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but she hopped on the hitch and flew over. That's what she did. What else is there to record? What else to show you guys? I guess I could do the trailer. I ain't got to work today. Oh my goodness. Look. How we did not see those eggs right here. There's an egg right here. There's an egg right there. Well, this must have been the egg I took out of the trailer. Must have. Yeah, I guess I took some bedding in there. Alright, let's go grab the bedding. Oh, yeah, we gotta fill up that. But first, let's grab the bedding. The shavings. Get shavings from Tractor Supply. Not sponsored or anything, but yeah, it's what we use. All right, I'll set you guys up. So just give me 1 second. Hey, those underneath there, they're laying eggs. Well, the one is, red is. Oh, big guy got it. Now, see, now, normally I would clean this out, but I think I'm going to throw another layer of bedding in there. And then when we move them to the chicken coop, then I'll clean it out. Let's grab this egg before I forget. That was a big butterfly, scared the crap out of me. Look at it. Now let's get in there and spread it out. I think I'll let them break it down. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. There. Now they can move around and stuff in there. That big old butterfly still flying around. There. That came one in. Hi, big man. What's you doing? Oh, pretty he is. Look, they're doing their work. Leveling it out. Alright. Still fill up falkies in their food. And I think... Oh! I got shavings all over my pen leg. Oh, yeah, the stripper's over there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Damn. Alright. Alright. We got it halfway full. That's fine. Alright. Let's actually, there's something I had to do. Oh, wait. I know what we need to do. I know what I need to do. Before I forget, let's put these beds inside this barrel. After I grab the shavings bed, let's stick that in that barrel too. And then we're gonna take the bucket up. Flies. Oh, I gotta grab the scissors. I grab my scissors. Cut all this out. Alright. There's flies in here. Look at the flies. That's so cool. Like they're eating chicken poop. I just looked at their water again. They need water down here. Don't just. What's this? Doesn't look like it. Alright. Oh, sorry guys. Had to check to see if the egg was fertile. I should let you guys know. Oh. This is like our garbage bin. Whatever's garbage goes in there. Alright. Let's go. I don't know what I have the aid for. Can I carry this bucket with the egg? Yeah, I can. Alright. Actually, let's go. There's something I want to show you guys over here. Real quick. I think a fly just bit me. Hang on. Alright, there's the chits. They're fine, right? The water's fine. See, that water, man, it's... We're gonna have to grab that water bowl. That's over by the tree. Yeah. Anyways. Look. I barely showed the front of the house, but look. We got a screen door for the front door. For the garage door. Oh yeah, and this is the plywood for the chicken coop floor. There's our side by side. Y'all didn't know. There's our his eyes like closed. One of his eyes closed. See it? I don't know if it's closed or it's just dirt. The dust from the chicken feed. Alright, let's put this down. Put these aids right here. So we don't forget later. Sorry, the camera's all wacky and stuff, but my hands are full. Alright. Alright, now let's go. There's 2 aids right there. Stop, remember that. Alright. So down here and fill up their water. I don't know why I didn't go the other way. Oh, there's a butterfly. See the butterfly? I don't know if you can see it. What the hell is that? My pants are falling down. Normally I don't need to wear a belt with these, but today I just did. All night at work I didn't have to wear a belt. I just find you home and start walking around. Look at them. Up in the trailer. Spreading the feathers around with the saw shavings. Alright. Alright, you guys some fresh water. went in with some water. Come on. Then go in. I guess not. Big man showing off his feathers. And now he's gonna go chase after the white one. Flies are bad today, guys. Wonder if it's gonna be raining or something. Flies are bad. It doesn't stink down here though. But they are pretty bad down here. Grab a shade. Let's see. I found some like nesting boxes on Amazon that I'd like to get. I think I'll order them when I get paid Wednesday. But there are ones that like slant. They're like on an angle, you know? So the egg falls into a little compartment. You lift up the compartment. Yeah. Then I'll buy 2. I think 2 should be good. It's 10 of them. Locking the door. Alright. Here's the paint stick. But man, it looks good. I like the chicken coop. It's the same color as the shed, too. Pretty good. I don't think anything new is in the garden. Oh, there's a robin. I don't know if you guys see her. There's a robin. Alright, guys. This video is pretty long, so I'm gonna end it here. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.